Hi, it's Chet with SunPath Services. I wanted to chat with you today a little bit about net metering and what you can expect from your utility bill after you go solar. And I have a sample bill here from a customer that went solar with us earlier this year so that we can step through it together. On the first page of your bill, and on this sample bill, you'll see that there's a summary on the right-hand side showing net consumption, excess generation, and energy savings withdrawn. And I'll explain each of these. The net consumption figure in this example, 805 kilowatt hours, is what this customer used from PGE this month. The excess generation of 662 kilowatt hours is the solar generation that was not used immediately by the home while it was generated, so it was sent back to the grid and recorded as a credit on their PGE bill. The energy savings withdrawn of 143 kilowatt hours is the difference between their net consumption from PGE and the credits that they generated that month. In essence, they've drawn 143 kilowatt hours out of their credit account to zero out this bill. When we're looking at the second page of the utility bill, you'll see what you could expect on your PGE bill every month after you go solar. In this case, you still have the base charge and a few small taxes. And for PGE customers, this generally comes out to a little over $15 a month. This charge doesn't go away even when you zero out your bill every month in terms of the kilowatt hours or net kilowatt hours you use from the utility, because they're still providing power to your home at night and providing service to your home. Page 3 of your future utility bill will have a summary that reflects similar data to what you saw on page 1. Net consumption meter reading of 805 kilowatt hours for this month. And again, that's the usage for the home or how much power was used from the utility that month. The excess generation meter reading of 662 kilowatt hours, which again is the solar generation that wasn't used immediately by the home as it was generated, so it was sent back out to the utility grid and recorded by the net meter. The net period usage you see on the right of 143 kilowatt hours is just the application of prior credits to this month's billing period to zero out this month. At the bottom of this summary, you'll see that 0 kilowatt hours are being billed to this customer this month, and they still have banked excess generation of 1,674 kilowatt hours. Those are the cumulative kilowatt hours that they've basically banked during the summer months, and those will be available to help offset their winter months when solar production is lower. Sometimes understanding net metering and how it will affect your future utility bill can be confusing, so please reach out to us if we can be of assistance.